Hi Tomas, what's up with marine birds and the WeddellSea food web?
Hi Leo, I can tell you that the WeddellSea food web is a massive food web of who eats whom.
You told me you have some problems with that. Why?
Well, the problem is that we know the links of who eats whom, but we don't know how much. We know the wires, but we don't know the electricity. So this is a difficult problem.
Oh, the electricity is like the energy that goes between species in the food web, I think.
Yes, we have only the skeleton or structure of the food web, so we have to analyze that using only this information. So we have all these lovely species, and all of these are top predators.
What do you mean by top predators?
They predate on other predators, so they have a high trophic level, around 4.
So you have primary producers, herbivores that eat them, predators that eat herbivores, and then marine birds that eat predators. It's too much.
I can't say it better, Leo, but we want to compare what would happen if we don't have any marine birds at WeddellSea food web.
But the WeddellSea is such a huge food web, and you only have this structural thing. It would be not different at all.
Leo, don't spoil me, just wait. So we calculated some network indices to pinpoint the role of marine birds, like mean trophic level, omnivory, modularity, and trophic coherence.
Let me guess, the mean trophic level is the average of the trophic levels of all species. The numbers of steps from the primary producers to the top predators or something like that.
That's it, Leo.
The omnivory is also the average of species that eat meat and vegetables.
Yes, more or less, species that have prey with different trophic levels have more omnivory.
Okay, and modularity is like the average of modules you can make, or something like Lego blocks.
Well, models are a group of species that have more interactions between them than with other models.
Okay, Lego blocks of a species with different colors. We could use different colors for each model. And the last one, coherence, seems rather difficult.
Yes, don't worry, it's a way to measure stability of the food web.
And what happened with all this stuff?
To compare all these metrics with and without marine birds, we made a model that gives us a distribution of the values of the metrics. So the result is that the trophic level is higher, omnivory is greater, modularity is bigger, and trophic coherence is a little bit lower.
And the winner is... who's the winner?
So marine birds are very important for the structure of the food web, but we still don't know how much important are compared with other marine predators, but we will find out.
Yes, that's exactly what I told you.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't. It's recorded.
I can hear you, I can hear you. Are you there? Well, bye everyone. Let's see you in another Seabird Twitter conference.